is gonna be a really quick update video, but first let me do a quick trick with this Orbi right here. Just a second. You see they did a quick update after the last one, which was right here. That one has now vanished. There is a new firmware update, which is this one right here. So you can see that we're up to version 2.3.1.44. The last one disappeared. This one doesn't have many updates, so let's check it out. I put out a new update for the Orbi shortly after people started saying that they had a new update pushed to them that wasn't on the website. I had the same thing happen. Finally, they have published it on their website, and they actually got rid of the old firmware version that was updated last time. So if you go out there and try to find 2.3.0.32, you're not gonna be able to find it, but you can find 2.3.1.44, and that's what's on my Orbi right now. There's really only two little updates with this. If you live in Canada, Japan, or Australia, all nice places, there's a fix for the firmware update. And the last update has to do with the Netgear Armor that we talked about last time. There was an issue with activation if the device was off, and that should be fixed with this as well. This is a really short update. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest on the Netgear Orbi. This has been Paul with version 2.3.1.44. Thank you for watching.